Today we are here in Peugeot Motocycles factory in Mandeure, Franche-Comté, France. And we are producing Peugeot Metropolis and Peugeot Pulsion, and this factory has seen many products in more than 100 years. Peugeot motorcycle vehicles are mainly used for commuting and city usage, so we need to have good braking performances in order to have a very good level of safety. We need also a very good oil for engine due to the constraints faced in the city usage as high load, high temperature and also stop and go. In order to deliver the best with our product from Peugeot Motocycles, we need to have the best partners for each field. For engine oil and brake fluid, it was Motul due to their big experience in this field. In addition to this technical knowledge, Motul is also a French brand as Peugeot Motocycles with a French factory, so it was a perfect fit for us.